Welcome to my office. Interesting story about this space. It was not intended on being a shared office. It was intended to be my partner's office, his man cave, I think, in his dreams. But like many things in this last year, we've had to adapt and adjust and make space where we didn't have it before. So I was faced with the challenge of how to make a dual space office and serve some functional needs while also remain stylish and interesting by using mixed materials and some distinct materials on my side versus his side to give each side its own little personality. These bookshelves are a great example of how to use mixed material to make things more interesting. The black hyacinth are great to tuck away things that you might not want on display. These black mesh metal baskets are fantastic. They hold actually quite a bit. This is a large basket. And we chose smoke-colored plastic here for file cabinets on his side. We chose clear on my side, but here to distinguish on his side, we used black smoke plastic. And we have this really fun caddy that incorporates black metal and soft brass metal to kind of tie it all together. So in the shared space, we used baskets and clear plastic storage. We used the bottom for books, and we've got these great bins divided here for notebooks and magazines, maybe some mail. These bins are a perfect size for paper, just slides right in, keeping everything really neat and organized here. On my bookshelf, we featured more soft brass, give it a little bit more of a feminine look, but again, a lot of mixed material. So these wire baskets are fantastic. They carry a lot of items. I like to put my notebooks in here. I save them all, and they're usually really pretty with different color binding, so I like having them on display, as well as stationery and note cards. These are bins that are perfect for housing some of those things. Magazine holders. Rather than smoke black on my side, we used clear plastic. I love magazines. I love especially looking through home decor magazines as well as food magazines. These help me keep them organized, and I don't like to throw any of them away, so this helps me keep them in order. And then these great plastic bins. So this is a really interesting mix of material in and of itself. This is a clear plastic bin, but it has this beautiful brass metal lid. So it's very decorative and yet still very functional. We love raised plant stands. I love lifting plants up and getting them a little bit higher and more into the sight line. And we have these beautiful soft brass finish plant stands. Thought they looked great in the corner, just added a little bit of life to the office to add some greenery.